In addition to the fundamental call center setup, the cloud phone system also provides advanced settings that permit further customization and optimization of your call center operations. Let's take a detailed look at the additional settings you can configure. These are the settings we went through when setting up the call center queue. First, queue name. For example, you might have queues named customer support, sales, or technical help, depending on the purpose of each queue. Extension. This is the unique number assigned to a specific queue. It's a fundamental part of any cloud phone system, as it allows for the efficient routing and handling of calls within the system. Each extension can be associated with a specific queue, a particular agent, a voicemail box, or any other function within the system. Please note that the extension numbers should be unique within the system to avoid any conflicts or confusion in call routing. Greeting. A greeting refers to the pre-recorded message that callers hear when they first enter the queue. This message is typically used to welcome the caller, inform them that their call is being routed to the next available agent, and provide any other relevant information or instructions. Strategy. This field in the call center queue settings determines the method used to distribute incoming calls to the available agents in the queue. Please check out our video for the detail of call strategy. Agents. This is where you define and manage the agents who will be handling the calls in the queue. Music on hold. This is used to select the audio that will be played to callers when they are placed on hold in the queue. Record. Field in the call center queue settings is likely used to enable or disable call recording for the queue. Time-based score. Determine how a caller's wait time is calculated and used to adjust their position in the queue. Time-based score seconds. Used in conjunction with the time-based score field. If you populate this field with a number, then the time-based score will be set in the dial plan when entering the call center. Max wait time. This is a parameter that you can configure to limit the maximum amount of time a caller can wait in the queue. This is the longest waiting time spent by a call waiting in a queue. Max wait time with no agents. This is a parameter in the cloud phone system's call center queue used to specify the maximum amount of time a caller is allowed to wait in the queue when there are no agents available to take the call. Max wait time with no agent time reached. This triggers when the maximum waiting time limit, set under max wait time with no agents, has exceeded and there are still no available agents to take the call. Timeout action. This is the routing when a call exceeds the maximum wait time, whether due to no available agents or the queue being full. The action can be customized according to the needs of your organization. It can be transferred to another extension, voicemail, pre-recorded message, or simply hanging up the call. You can tailor your call center to meet your specific needs, ensure efficient call handling, and deliver an excellent customer experience. Make sure to check out part 2 of this series on call center settings for more information. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.